Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family of Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Audi A4 45 S-Line Premium. This vehicle has 261 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque with the 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder, mated to a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, automatic, which is pretty nice. So nice interior in here. You have like these gray leather seats, wood trim. Nice, pretty big sunroof, as you can see there. There you go. So you have paddle shifters behind the steering wheel, heated seats, typical Audi infotainment system. Looks pretty much like the ones you'd find in other Audi products, other than the ones with 2 screens, like one here and one here. You can change your drive modes. You have comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual modes. This one doesn't have the full digital gauge cluster, but you can see different things in the center screen. Let's walk around this Audi. So it's a white exterior. It says Audi Sport on the wheels. So the S-Line's basically just like a sportier looking product. I like the daytime running lights, they look cool. Audi's always had really awesome daytime running lights, and they're one of the first brands to make daytime running lights. Nice taillights too. It's a Quattro. Yeah, pretty nice looking car right here. I like the S-Line branded door sills or kick plates, whatever you want to call them. Here's the center console, which you can slide back and forth. And then let's look at the backup camera. So it's just a regular backup camera, but you also have the parking sensors to help you park. But let's see how this vehicle drives. I'm gonna put my phone in here so it won't flop around. All right. So yeah, the A4 is basically like the second smallest sedan. You can get the A3. I'm not sure if they still make the A3, but if they do, I think they do actually. That's the smallest one. So yeah, like I mean, Audi has a few sedans, like the A3, A4, A5. That's a nice looking Taycan. Wow, that looks amazing. That's a nice shifting transmission. The car's actually pretty quick. Yeah, it's pretty peppy. It's nice and quick. Handling is good too. It's like a small sedan, and plus the Steptronic dual clutch is really nice. I didn't even know that these had dual clutches, so I think it's cool. I love dual clutch automatics. If you see my videos, every time I drive a car with a dual clutch, I always rave about how much I love it, because dual clutches are awesome. Nice and quick. Look how fast the gear shifts are. That's amazing. This car is pretty dang quick. Definitely exceeded. This is definitely exceeding my expectations. I didn't think it would be like really like super fast or anything like that, but it's definitely faster than I thought it would be. So it's pretty cool to see that. I like the steering wheel. It feels good in my hand. It's has good gripping points on the wheel. And that's the blind spot alert on Audis. It's like the little black square. It'll show you that if someone's in your blind spot, it'll blink orange, as you can see. So that's how you know if an Audi has blind spot, if it has that on the mirror. But yeah, this is a nice car for sure. The ride is smooth, even in this dynamic sport mode. Let me put it in auto and see what that's like. So I think it'll basically just adjust the driving dynamics based off of weather, terrain, etc. if you're on auto. Yeah, nice driving car. I'm liking it. I do wish it had better shift paddles though. A lot of the Audis have like really cheap plastic paddles, which I'm not a fan of. Every single one does. I've never, I mean, I hope the RS models don't have these, because that would be a shame if they have these cheap plastic paddles. I mean, like, I make a comment on all my videos about shift paddles. I wish vehicles would have nicer shift paddles, because I was in a Hyundai Palisade. I reviewed the Palisade Calligraphy and the Limited, and they both have metal shift paddles, but this one has plastic, which doesn't make sense. Like, if a Hyundai family SUV has that, why do like sportier cars not have it from other brands? But that's just a nitpick. I mean, to be honest, a lot of people don't even use paddle shifters. I'm one of those people that always uses them, so that's just like me being nitpicky. Man, look at that dual clutch. It's so quick to respond. It's great. Yeah, definitely a great car right here. This would be like a really good daily driver, you know? Like, it's quick, it looks good, the seats are pretty comfortable. I know it has Apple CarPlay. I'm pretty sure it has Android Auto as well. But yeah. And this is like not even one of like the highest trims or anything like that. So like an S4 or something like that. So it's pretty cool to see that it's this fun to drive. It's definitely a nice little car to whip around town. Like, look, the acceleration is seamless. It's very quick to respond. It even throws you back in your seat. There are many cars that don't even do that, which are like performance cars. That's pretty cool. And I like the easy access to the heated steering. You just press that little button right there and you can turn on the heated steering. Yeah, that's fast. But yeah, great Audi. I really like this car. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice pre-owned vehicles like this Audi.